Your network is vulnerable. Learn how to protect it with network security. Welcome back to Ore Technologies. Today, we are diving into something super important but often overlooked: network security. Imagine someone snooping into your private conversations or stealing your data. Scary, right? Well, that's exactly what we are here to prevent. So, let's break down network security in simple terms. Stick around for the next 3 minutes and you will be a network security pro by the end. What is network security? So, what exactly is network security? Simply put, network security is all about protecting your data and network from unauthorized access, attacks, or misuse. Think of it as having layers of defense to keep hackers out and your information safe. It involves everything from setting up strong passwords to using advanced software and hardware solutions. Here is an easy way to understand it. Imagine your network as a house. Network security is the locks, security cameras, and alarms that keep burglars away. How does it work? Alright, let's see how network security actually works. Network security operates in layers. Each layer has its own set of rules to protect your data. Let's break it down. First, physical network security. This is the first line of defense. It's like securing your house with locks and alarms. Here, we are talking about things like biometric systems that prevent unauthorized people from physically accessing your data. Second, technical network security. This focuses on securing data within the network. It stops unauthorized users from getting in and blocks malicious attacks. Think firewalls, antivirus software, and encryption. Third, administrative network security. This is all about controlling who has access and how they get in. It ensures the right people have the right permissions and monitors user behavior to spot anything suspicious. Types of network security. Now, let's quickly run through some key types of network security: firewalls, antivirus and anti-malware, VPN, virtual private network, email security, access control. Advantages of network security. So, why should you care about network security? Here are some top benefits. It protects sensitive data, it prevents financial loss, it boosts trust, it offers a safe remote working environment, it stops malware in its tracks. Disadvantages of network security. But hey, it's not all sunshine and rainbows. Here are some challenges. It is complicated and time consuming. It may be costly. Some privacy concerns may arise. It's all about keeping your digital world safe and prying eyes and cyber threats. Remember, having strong passwords, using VPNs, and regularly updating your security measures can go a long way. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips. Hit that bell icon so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching and stay secure out there.